So it's been a while since we've done a vlog, and I wasn't even sure if I was gonna do another one again, but I figured why not. We haven't had a whole lot going on. Mr. Maloonigan just got a bath. Being real weird. We got one exciting thing that happened. We got our backyard fenced in, and we got it stained, and we stained the deck back here. Stain and sealer. So today, we got a lot going on. We got to take some stuff to the shop, some coasters, and a few other things to sell. We got to go to some flea markets or antique stores, some stuff like that, to try and find some cool drawer pulls. We just went and got that pile of sticks because we're going to make an LED wall lamp thing. Just sort of some sort of art fixture thing with lights on it. So that'll be kind of cool. So we are getting ready to go antiquing right now. We're looking for the drawer pulls. So I'm going to bring you along with the GoPro. Battery might die. Wow, that person just blew in there. Oh, that's good.
Not bad.
Look at this table underneath it.
Oh, sure. Now I'm going to starve all next week.
Well, you let me start it longer than that, and I think we're not cooperating. For some reason, I think they think it's winter.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's really cool. Find another one of those.
We got two of these.
Ooh,
That one's cool too.
there's another one. Are those the same? No.
No, these are. There's more.
Did you like that one?
Yeah, I put one that tells on those out. Just this one. Right there. A whole bunch of stuff.
A really long film.
It's only $20.
That's perfect. That's exactly what I need.
You gotta ask for a key.
Yeah.
So we went there looking for just drawer pulls, which we found right here. Jeanette got a necklace. We got two of these. Oh, there's two in here.
Okay.
Two of these. There's only one of these. One of those. 2 of those. A big bag of these. 1 of these. 4 of these. Which is, I guess, the same as that one, but smaller. And we bought a dresser and 2 dressers we have to go get later. Mr. Maloon again. These are the dressers we purchased. This one was $35. And we're going to turn it into a TV stand. Because it's not a very cool dresser. It's got some issues. Like that. And the fact that the top of this is plastic and fake. But it'll make a cool TV stand. And then this was $100. It's in pretty good shape. We're going to try to flip that one. And right now we got some outdoor stuff to do. We have a bunch of flowers that we need to put in some places temporarily. And some dill seeds. So that's going to be our goal right now. And my brother's going to bring his dog over so Mr. Maloonigan can play.
I don't want you.
He doesn't like the camera.
Who's camera
I think he's scared of the mic. Mr. Maloonigan.
He'll crush you.
Mr. Maloonigan. What is it? What's he got?
Get him.
You can see Mr. Maloonigan's head sticking up over the deck on the camera.
Throw my arm out. It feels like you throw that thing so far, but it doesn't go very far.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe Mr. Maloonigan will learn how to play fetch.
Oh boy.
Watching.
He does
See?
it pretty good with me.
He doesn't ever drop it for me. Got it. He's too gentle.
I don't want you.
Get him, Dad. Get him. Get him. Get him. Find him. Get him.
Missed all the barking.
Get him, Dad. Get him.
What was that? Go get him. Go play. That's good close up.
Just ran over. Jeanette bought Mr. Maloonigan a new bed and 2 new toys. I think he likes it. Because he never uses this one. The one we made for him. It's the end of the weekend now. And we've been struggling to get stuff done. We've had very busy weekends, and we got another one coming up next weekend. So we did get any big projects done. We got a bunch of pieces of furniture now that need to be refinished, and I would like to get to those. I don't want my channel to turn into a painting channel, and I'm getting a little bored of painting. But because we don't have a ton of time, that's what we're gonna do. And right now, to finish out the night, I think I'm gonna do a vase pour. But I want something bright. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a vase pour for the next video. And I have this vlog, which I haven't recorded in a while, so that'll be nice and different and fresh. Alright, I'm gonna get to doing all this stuff and get to editing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.